Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to make a Peltier air conditioner, also called semiconductor air conditioner, the outdoor and indoor water cooled. This could be the world's first split-type semiconductor air conditioner. Look carefully at the radiator. There is cold air coming out. Let's start making. Coat the heat dissipation water cooling block with thermal grease. Then slowly smooth it out. The process is very decompressive and comfortable. If you are an interior decorator, it should be smooth, like a wall. Then apply the refrigeration sheets. I used for refrigeration tablets. The model is C1206 size. It belongs to high-end refrigeration tablets. Don't use the 12706. The temperature difference is very small, and the effect is very poor. Then apply the other piece of silicone grease as well. Smooth, slowly. This process can't be rushed, because thermal grease is critical. Then reverse install them together. Just paste it like this. Tighten with screws and buckles. This is what it looks like. Let's start installing the thermometer. Punch a hole in this position. Measure the size. Don't get it wrong. It's crooked and ugly. I love the feeling of digging holes. Very handmade sense of achievement. After digging, start shoveling all the residue of it. Just put it in, one step at a time. It's pretty solid. The other holes have been dug. Install the remote now. This remote control is used to control cooling and heating. Can control the positive and negative electrodes. After screwing this base, the remote control can be put on. It looks good together. Also requires a fan governor. You can adjust the indoor wind speed. Reducing the wind speed can also achieve this dehumidification effect. I accidentally crooked this hole. Then I blocked it with this bottle cap. Just use double-sided tape for this place, because it doesn't heat up. 1-4. Align this position. Then press it tightly. The green one is the controller. Control the conversion of cooling and heating. This place needs to be coated with thermal silicone because silicone is resistant to high temperature. This controller will heat up. The red one here is the power-up module. Because I bought a second-hand water pump. It's 20 volts. Normally requires 12 volts. Because I bought a second-hand 20 volt to save money. Boost module is required for boost. Find any bubble. Here. Apply glue. Stick it like this. Just to prevent vibration and shaking. Just lay it out like this. The feed pump should also be installed with a piece of foam. Because the pump vibrates a lot, the noise is louder. So installing foam is critical. Apply glue, then paste. Glue also needs to be applied to the pump. Let it stick to the foam. Form a buffer. Start installing circulating water pipes. This water pipe must be tied with a cable tie. These two are fans. The power cord should also go through. Brush the water pipe with glue. Prevent pulling out. Take it off when pulling. Cut off all the cable ties. Look cleaner. Put a heat shrinkable sleeve on the refrigeration sheet. Do insulation to prevent short circuits. If you don't have a hot fan, you can use a lighter. Close the lid and put it aside. Start installing the fan. I use a 12mm fan. Use 2 protective nets were used. Prevent scratching people. All 8 screws are tightened. Install another radiator in the same way. The black fan and radiator look cool. This color matches well. The fans I use are all thickened. It's all airflow. Install the water pipe below. Tie with cable ties as well. The cord into another. Tie it up with a cable tie. Tie up the water pipe and power cord together. Prevent scratching water pipes and wires. It looks prettier this way too. This process is cumbersome and tiring, but it's beautiful when tried. Does it look like a blood vessel? Now connect the fan. Heat shrinkable tubes must be used where welding is required to prevent short circuits. The process of heating the heat shrinkable tube is very decompressive. Now add antifreeze to the pump. It's like blood starts flowing. Antifreeze is used in cars. Prevent freezing and high temperature boiling. It's pretty much done. Add foam glue to the box. Be sure to add foam glue. This prevents vibration noise. And it prevents condensation. Styrofoam glue on every position. Let it form slowly. Does it look like a cake? It's sweet. Tighten the lid. Power on test. I have two remote controls. Now test the heating effect. The heating effect is fast. The effect is great. Heating is 1.7 times more efficient than cooling, so there's no problem at all with heating. Very power efficient. Now test the cooling effect. See how many degrees you can drop. It has now dropped to 16 degrees. Condensation has also begun to appear on the cooling end. We're going to put one end outside. This will not affect the temperature in the room. That is, cooling and heating are completely isolated. I mounted it on the window. Just tie it up with a cable tie. It must not affect its ventilation. Make sure it is ventilated next to it. Go back to the room to check the effect. Now start cooling. It's like a standard air conditioner. Internal and external machines are completely unaffected. This plane can put some ornaments you like. I put my speaker on it. It's so cute. You can listen to music while eating and blowing on the air conditioner. You are welcome to watch this video. In the next issue, I'm going to do a water dispenser that's portable. Very cool water dispenser. Or cool, portable kettle. It can be heated and made into ice. If you like my handicrafts, Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.